Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 1 at 94 Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. This modern ground floor apartment has all the quality finishes you deserve and is ideally located in a cul-de-sac close to Copley Park. And it has all the security to make it a true lock and leave apartment. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of 1 at 94 Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. As you can see, the home is as neat as a pin and makes a perfect lock and leave. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.